Keep your Arlo Ultra, Ultra 2, Pro 3, Pro 4 and Pro 3 floodlight cameras battery charged with direct sunlight. Weather-resistant design. Includes 8-foot magnetic power cable and adjustable mount. Easy installation. Official certified accessory, designed and developed by Arlo. Compatible with Arlo Ultra, Ultra 2, Pro 3, Pro 4 and Pro 3 floodlight cameras. Top reviews from the United States. Installed in direct sunlight connected to an Arlo floodlight and it works great. No more dragging out my 12-foot ladder. It does have to have access to direct sunlight and it's not a super fast charge, but it will make up for what it uses in a day if not much more. Used to hate Arlo cameras because real problem always changing batteries and then readjusting the camera. But this solar panel eliminated that problem and the camera is always charged. The specs say that if the solar panel is attached, the illumination will be reduced about 25%, but even so, the illumination has been great, fully illuminating objects or people 50 feet away.